Hello, I'm Bill Hurl, President and CEO of Immunomic Therapeutics. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our programs for treating glioblastoma multiforme, or GBM. It's a very deadly form of brain cancer, and it's one that we as a company take very seriously and really hope that we are going to be able to make a difference in cancer patients' lives in the not too distant future. Cancer is a disease where cells grow out of control. And unfortunately, when that cancer occurs in the brain, it's even more problematic. It's harder for your body to get to, and it's obviously very difficult to do brain surgery. So it's a very challenging disease. When we looked at different options on how to apply our technology in treating cancer, we had a great opportunity to collaborate with two unbelievable researchers. One, John Sampson at Duke University, and the other, Dwayne Mitchell at the University of Florida. Together, they had collaborated on a research program that was referred to as ATTACK. And ATTACK is a unique way of taking patients' cells and educating them so that they can go target brain tumor tissue. Now, unfortunately, for brain cancer patients, they have a poor prognosis. The 1-year overall survival for those patients is just over 50%. It's a very terrible situation. When we first started working with Dr. Mitchell and Dr. Sampson, they presented us data that although in a small study, we saw that half of the patients had long-term survival benefit. And in fact, as it turned out from the results of their phase 1 study, these patients had a median overall survival of over 40 months, compared with 14 months in a control arm or with historical controls. This is an amazing change and possibly a paradigm shift in treating brain cancer. But we still have a long way to go. And so right now we have an active phase 2 study that's open at Duke University and at the University of Florida. And we have several arms that include studies in pediatric brain cancer and in recurrent brain cancer, as well as our primary study for newly diagnosed glioblastomas. So our hope is that we're going to continue work on the phase 2 clinical study in 2021 and hopefully be completing that study with complete enrollment this year and then moving into the full follow-up stage for the next 2 years, while we go on and start a new clinical study for phase 3 and other types of glioblastoma patients. So I hope that you will take a time to look at our website and view the information about glioblastoma. If you know somebody that has this terrible disease, please feel free to give us a call or contact the researchers at Duke or at the University of Florida so that you can check and see if this study might be right for you. Immunomic Therapeutics is very proud and pleased to be able to provide cancer patients with a travel fund that helps them get from anywhere in the United States to either of those clinical sites at completely no expense to you as a patient. So if you have somebody that needs to be seen at the clinic, don't let travel be your obstacle. Just because you perhaps get diagnosed in Indiana doesn't mean you can't get to North Carolina or Florida. Look at what we do and see that it's very possible that the future of brain cancer is going to involve a cell therapy treatment derived from our research at University of Florida and Duke University and powered by Unite Technology and Immunotherapeutics. Please visit our website, www.immunomics.com, and at the website, click on Clinical Trials, and there you'll see on the menu our studies for ATTACK-2 and ITI-1000 and ITI-1001, our 2 glioblastoma-focused products. Thank you.